Okay, Melissa here. Today we're at Dead Horse Point State Park, and I collect these little brochures, read up all them. I'm going to let you know that the legend of Dead Horse Point is the cowboys would collect up their horses, make a natural corral from tree branches and other natural things, and they go in, select the horses they wanted for whatever reason, and leave the others. Those horses would eventually die of thirst, and this area is 2,000 feet above the Colorado River. I found that to be sad, but let's go take a look.
So this is pretty wild here. Can you see those bluish colored ponds way out there? They're way out there. What those are, they're actually mining salt. I'm just reading about it right now for the first time here. Yeah, it says those bright blues on the desert floor, they're solar evaporation ponds. They're for a mine, and what they do is they pump water down into the salt deposits. The salt water rises to the top, and it's like a vinyl lined, I believe it says vinyl lined ponds you see. They add a blue dye to it, and that speeds up the evaporation. The dry desert air and the sunny days, they make a very productive operation. It has 20-ton scrapers guided by lasers. They harvest the dry salt, and a local refinery transforms this concentrated form of potassium chloride into a plant fertilizer. It's pretty amazing setup. So they pump, you know, with the water from down in the ground, the salt water, up to the surface. The water evaporates, and they get the potassium chloride. Pretty wild.
Are you able to zoom in to show that little?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay.
I'm kind of zoom out here to give you an idea. Just I don't know if you can see, but there's a pickup truck down there. A couple cars. It gives you an idea how high we are. Right down in there. So that's a look at Dead Horse Point. Like we said, it's just outside of Moab, Utah. We're gonna go check out Canyonlands next. But I'm telling you, you could spend a good 2 weeks just in this area around Moab, between Arches, Canyonlands, Dead Horse Point. There's just tons of stuff to do around here. It's a really nice area, but we're gonna move on. But anyway, like we always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.